Good morning kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So in our last class we finished our chapter, 5th chapter, fine, and even we finished the question answers and hard words. I hope you all have done in your classwork notebooks. So today we will complete the rest of the exercise. So get ready with your readers at page number 40. Fine. So here the first bit on the page 40 is fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the words given in the brackets. So here some words have been given. So we have to use these words and fill in these blanks. So first one, the philosopher, what it is given? Think is given. So we will make it as thought. The philosopher thought for a long time before he purchased all the parrots from the bird catcher. है ना? So next one, what it is given? Hang is given. Bracket में कौन सा word दिया गया है? Hang दिया है. So the parrots were, what they were doing? Hanging on the ropes. Okay, the parrots were hanging on the ropes. Next one, the word catch is given. I know the person who has caught these parrots. So catch will क्या बन जाता है? It will become caught. Caught these parrots. Fourth one, the tiger dashed forward and dashed the deer. So the word is leap and catch. So the tiger leaped forward and caught the deer. Okay. Next one, the क्या दिया गया है यहाँ पे? Teach दिया गया है. The philosopher taught. Teach क्या होता है हमारा? Taught बन जाता है. The philosopher taught the parrots a good lesson for many days. Okay kids? Got it? Fine. Now come to the next one. Unjumble the letters in the brackets and write the verb in the blank. क्या करना है आपको? ये जो ब्रैकेट्स में लेटर्स दिए गए ये वर्ड्स को क्या करना है? अनजम्बल करना है. ये जम्बल दिए गए एज एन AHTCH. कैन यू फॉर्म एनी मीनिंग विद दैट वर्ड? नो. सो दिस वर्ड इज अनजम्बल. वी हैव टू मेक इट करेक्ट एंड राइट. सो फर्स्ट वन विल बी टुमारो द चिकन्स शुड हैच फ्रॉम द एग्स. ओके, इट इज हैच. ये वर्ड अनजम्बल वर्ड से हम क्या बनाएंगे? हैच फ्रॉम द एग्स. आई वॉज लकी दैट द wasps डिड नॉट sting me. Okay, STING, sting me. It is my job to wash the clothes. Next, the dog went straight out to bury the bone. Next, I saw the dog jump the fence. Okay, now check the next one. Check the correct verbs given in the bracket. Okay, हमें यहाँ क्या करना है? Correct verbs करना है. A flock of parrots is on the tree or are on the tree? They are on the tree. A flock of parrots are on the tree. Next one, Jack and Jill works very hard or work very hard? Jack and Jill works very hard. Next, the parents and the teacher meets every month or meet every month? They meets every month. He whistles loudly to call his dog or whistle loudly to call his dog? He whistle loudly to call his dog. Fifth one, the dog barks at the stranger or the dog bark at the stranger? The dog bark at the stranger. So here have you seen this thing? When the noun is plural, so we are adding our works, we are making the verb also as plural. When the noun is singular, we are making the verb also as singular, isn't it? A flock of parrots are on the tree. Jack and Jill works very hard. The parents and the teacher meets every month. He whistle loudly to call his dog. The dog bark at the stranger. Okay kids, fine. Now next one. Here you are having complete the following table: present tense, past tense and past participle. This one you have to do it as the homework. Fine. So हमें present दिया गया है, past tense. Stop का past tense क्या होता है? Stopped. Cry, cried. Bring, brought. Train, trained. Do, did. Okay. इसका क्या करना है आपको? Past participle करना है. Fine. Yeah. Now come to the next one. Where do these people work? Match them with the correct places. So here people and places are given. So first one, waiter. He works in a restaurant. Baker, bakery. lawyer, court, chef, hotel, air hostess, she works in an aircraft. Okay. Now come to the next one. The first sentence tells us what happened. Read the next two sentences and decide which one explains the first sentence. So here the first sentence is the parrots flew away. So these two sentences decide which one was the, what was the situation there. They were hungry or they saw the bird catcher. The parrots flew away because they saw the bird catcher, isn't it? Now next one. The philosopher couldn't go to the forest. He was ill or he had no money? He was ill. The philosopher couldn't go to the forest as he was ill. Third one. The deer ran away. The tiger chased them or the babies were in danger. So we can see here the picture. The tiger is chasing the deer. So the deer ran away because the tiger chased them. Next one. The parrot can't fly. Why? We can see it here. It doesn't want so, or it is in the cage. It is in the cage. The parrots cannot fly because it is in the cage. Next one. The baby is crying. Why? He is hungry or there is a snake near him? He is hungry. The baby is crying because he is hungry. Okay. Now to come to the next page. Here the thing is punctuation. Punctuate the following passage using capital letters and full stop wherever necessary. So what we have to do here? We have to punctuate the following. So what is in punctuation? A punctuation marks, we all know, full stops, comma, colon, semicolon, brackets, hyphens, all these things are called as punctuation. So as we all know, here is a punctuation, fine. So these are called as punctuations. So a punctuation, it divides a piece of writing into sentences and clauses. Okay, एक punctuation का क्या work होता है? वो divide करता है piece of writing को sentences and clauses में. Like when we add a full stop, the sentence ends there. When we add a comma, it takes a pause. When we add a semicolon, when we add a bracket, when we add a hyphen, it changes. It gives a different meaning. It divides the piece of writing. Okay. So here, punctuate the following passage using capital letters and full stop. तो हमें ये passage में क्या करना है? Capital letters and full stops लगाना है. Okay. So here, first one, there are many kinds of animals. Okay. So here T should be capital. Then there are many kinds of animals. There should be a full stop after animals. Then again V capital. We can put them in three main categories: birds, mammals and reptiles. Full stop there. Again A capital. After full stop, every time remember to start the letter capital. Okay. Animals differ in the size, shape and habits. Full stop. Some, again S capital. Animals have 4 legs, some have 2 legs and some have none at all. Full stop. Next, S again capital. Some animals eat meat while others eat no meat. They live on grass seeds, etc. Again full stop. Next, M capital. Man can eat some animals. Again full stop. The sentence is ending there. Then again after full stop you must start the letter with capital. There are others that can be eaten. Then full stop. Again S capital. Some animals are very attractive, others are not so attractive. Again full stop. The sentence is ending there. So after the ending of the sentence we have to take a capital letter. So S capital. Some animals make nice pets, we can keep them in homes. Others can be kept in zoos. Okay kids? So here we have punctuated this passage in full stops and capital letters. So related to this, you are having a letter at the next page, B bit, you are having a letter written in a code language. To find the secret message in this letter, you must circle every third word after a punctuation mark. The first word is done for you. So this is your homework. Fine kids? तो इसमें क्या करना है, ये भी same related to this punctuation ही है. तो आपको यहाँ क्या करना है, आफ्टर एवरी पंचुएशन मार्क्स, सो पंचुएशन मार्क्स आर full stops, commas, colons, semicolons, hyphens, question marks, exclamation marks, these all are called as punctuation. So here in this, third letter after every punctuation mark. So here see this one, dear Yukti, comma is given, so comma is a punctuation mark. We will meet, so after comma third letter, meet aa gaya, okay. So round up that meet. Again next Sunday, okay. Tripti and Rajat will be there, be at my house on time, and by midnight the party will be over by Sanjay. So ये पैसेज में जहाँ भी पंचुएशन मार्क आता है उसका थर्ड लेटर आपको सर्कल अप करना है, तो उसमें आपको एक मैसेज फॉर्म होएगा. फाइन किड्स, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क, यू हैव टू डू दिस. नाउ कम टू दिस पेज अगेन. In this you are having a writing skill. Look at the pictures and write out the story. So here a comic picture has been given. Based on the pictures, by looking at the pictures, we have to write a story. हमको story बनाना है, okay? So what can we see in the first picture? In the first picture we can see a man, his boy and a donkey is, they are walking through a market lane. Next we can see a child, the child is being sitting on the donkey. And in next picture some men are there, but the child is walking and the man is sitting on the donkey. And then in the next picture we can see both the man and the child are on the donkey. And then in the next picture we can see both the child and man are walking carrying the donkey on the shoulders. And finally in the last picture we saw that the man threw away the donkey into the river. Okay. So we have to frame sentences and form a story. Can you all do this, kids? Okay, I'll give you hints. Begin your story like this: an old man and his son along with their donkey were going to the market. All the three were walking on foot. Some women and men approached them and said, "You fools, what is a donkey for but to ride upon?" So the man put the boy on the donkey and they went on their way. So by looking at the pictures you have to continue the story. इसको आगे आपको continuation करना है. Fine kids? Now next one, thinking skill. Look at this signboard. Okay, some signboards are being given and choose from the list where you would find these signboards. There are 3 more in the list than you need. यहाँ हमें लिस्ट दी गई है and these signboards हमें find out करना है कि कौन से place पे मिलते हैं. So as we are having 7 signboards here, the options are given as 10. So 3 we won't need. So we will find out what are those 3. So first one, fishing and swimming strictly prohibited. Where do we find this one? Fishing and swimming means it will be on the river side only. So on the bank of a lake or a river. Next one, to platform number 5. ये कहाँ पे देखते हैं हम साइन बोर्ड? मोस्टली ऑन रेलवे स्टेशन, राइट. सो एट अ रेलवे स्टेशन. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड वन, प्लीज डू नॉट ब्रिंग फूड इन टू द थिएटर. द साइन इट सेल्फ इज सेइंग वी सी इट इन अ थिएटर. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, ट्रैफिक इन लेफ्ट लेन मस्ट टर्न लेफ्ट. लेफ्ट लेन की ट्रैफिक लेफ्ट में ही टर्न होना है. तो वेयर डू वी फाइंड दिस वन? We find it on the road. Okay. Next one, fifth one, no shooting except with the camera. Okay, ये कहाँ पे? No shooting except with the camera. Where do we find this sign? We find this sign in an animal park. Next one, downhill traffic must give way to uphill traffic. Downhill traffic, uphill traffic को way देना है. तो where do we find this one? We find it on a hill road. Okay, and then last one. Caution men working. Caution men working means careful, men are working. Mostly हम जब रोड पे जाते हैं where the potholes are dug, we find this kind of words like men are working, है ना? So we find it on where a road is being repaired. Okay kids, so what are the leftover 3? In an office, in a hotel and at a police station, right? So with this we finished our exercises. Hope you will complete it on by time. Do write your question answers, meanings and hard words in the readers and do the rest of the exercise in this reader only. So, in the next class we will complete our 6th chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.